Hi everyone, this is Alec, your West Denver agent with Century 21 Golden West Realty. Today I am over at the Lexington Village Condos, which is a condo association right off of Yale and I-25, about 4 miles north of the Denver Tech Center. A lot of great amenities in this area, like the Yale RTD light rail station. Got a lot of gyms close by, such as Choose and 24-hour fitness, Whole Foods, King Soopers, a lot of other great amenities, including restaurants, all within a couple miles of this location right here. HOA on this place is just under $400. Covers heat, water, sewer, including this really lovely pool that's right behind me. If you have any questions, let me know, but let's get in and take a look.